Hey friends, it's Kara with iStampin.com. Thanks for joining me today. Today I've got this very simple Christmas card to show you. This is using the Flourish Filigree stamp set along with the matching pretty label punch. The Flourish Filigree, this is in our holiday catalog, and just really some beautiful sentiments to put on the front of the card, and of course this absolutely beautiful design that I did that I stamped all across the front of the card just to give it a very simple background. And if you've been missing me on YouTube, I've been doing quite a few Facebook Lives. I would love for you to join me over on my Facebook page. You can find the link down below in the description box. And all you have to do is just like my iStampin page and turn on your notifications, and you'll see when I go live. I've been doing a lot of fun projects over there. So, but I wanted to show you this today. So let me show you everything that you're going to need to make the project. So again, Flourish Filigree stamp set and the pretty label punch that coordinates with it. The ink is Tranquil Tide, and you are going to need a piece of Tranquil Tide cardstock. This just measures 4 by 5 1/4. I'm also using very vanilla cardstock. I'm going to make this a top folding card, so I just cut the cardstock in half. This measures 11 by 4 1/4, and I've already scored this at 5 1/2. So we can go ahead and burnish that with our bone folder. And then I've got just a scrap of very vanilla cardstock to stamp out the sentiment and punch it out. And then finally, the last thing that you'll need are just your basic pearl jewels. And for adhesive, I'm going to use our adhesive strips. I like these when I really want to support a card really well, and then just some SNAIL. This card comes together really quickly. If you're looking for a really simple Christmas card to make, I think you're gonna love this one. So let me get out the ink. And what I'm gonna do is I am going to start in the center of my card base with this large stamp, and then I'll just build up around it. So let's just stamp that right there in the middle. I don't like that. Let's flip it over. I'm not crazy about that. So let me try that again. Okay, just press a little bit harder. That's the great thing about our cardstock, is that you can just flip it over and stamp again. All right, that looks good. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to stamp here on the bottom. Come down here and then just ink it up again, and then I'm going to do the exact same thing on this side. Try to line it up to the best of your ability. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then I'm going to do the exact same thing on the top. I like to use the grid lines on my grid paper to help me line this up. And one more. Really, really easy to make your background doing it this way. All right, and there is our background, so we can put that away. And then I am using the Happy Christmas Wishes. Just gonna stamp that right here on the very vanilla cardstock. And then punch it out. Okay. Go ahead and use SNAIL to attach this to the center of this flourish, like so. And then I'm going to get my adhesive strips and Normally you'll need about two full strips. And I just run it right along the edge of the cardstock, and this supports this panel perfectly. Be sure that you are a subscriber to my newsletter. I send out exclusive projects every Thursday. So if you are not a current subscriber, you can head on over to my blog at the very top. You'll be able to sign up. My blog is istampin.com. Okay, so I'm just going to peel this off. A lot easier than dimensionals. Okay, and that's just going to go right here in the center of the card. Perfect. So you can see how well, let's see, there you go. You can see how well that is supported all the way around. I just love using the adhesive strips for that. All right, so I'm going to get out my basic pearls, and I'm using our brand new Take Your Pick tool. This you can find in our holiday catalog as well. A great stocking stuffer if you like to give stocking stuffers or even just a regular gift. It's $10 and it has 5 different tools, which is just fabulous. You can't beat that price, and it's just an all-around great tool. And we'll put one up here. And that is it. Very, very quick, very, very simple, but extremely elegant holiday card if that is what you like to make for Christmas. So again, that was using the Flourish Filigree stamp set that is in our holiday catalog, along with the matching pretty label punch. You can find all the details on my blog. All of the items that I used today will be linked directly to my online store. So be sure to use the October hostess code, and also when you shop with me this month, you will get the October Stampin' Anonymous tutorials for free. 6 full color PDF tutorials. All right, guys, if you have any questions, be sure to comment below. And if you like today's video, give it a thumbs up and make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you later. Bye.